you find, yes, it has been predicted that this year might be a drier year than the previous season, but what we'd want farmers to do is, as we are preparing, we still have time, as we are preparing our season, let's make sure we go in early to do our winter plow. It's a common culture that farmers in years back, they used to go in as soon as they harvest to prepare their land, and the advantage of doing that is to preserve the moisture from the previous crop. We call it residual moisture. So once you do your early plowing, it means you are preserving the residual moisture, and at the same time you are plowing under all the debris, all the stalks, the grass, everything is going in. So as it goes into the soil, it's wet, there's air, and because of the warmth as well, you find they're going to decompose. As they decompose, they will form humus in the soil, which will also hold water, and when it comes to dry spells, at least they'll release water slowly, benefiting the plants. So the plants won't suffer that much as we go through the dry spells. So as we are preparing the season as well, let's also look at mitigation measures. We are looking at trenching the storm drain. The storm drain is the main contour above the fields, right? So that main contour, we can actually make it wider, deeper, and block at the end, so that we trap all the water which falls, and then we encourage infiltration of water into the soil. And the contours which follows behind, we also need to make sure that we also trench them so that we harness as much water as possible. And we have other cultural methods like tie ridging, where you're planting your crops on ridges. You have to tie your ridges so that we trap water as well as potholing. It's an odd name, but I think if we call it trenching in between the rows, instead of potholing, you make it narrower, longer, and deeper, so that at least we also harness as much water as possible. Where you can get mulch, it's also encouraged to put our mulch in. And the Pfumvudza practice is very, very important. It can be commercialized, it can be our usual Pfumvudza plots. Let's prepare them early. Let's make sure we put enough mulch so that when the water falls, most of it is trapped, gets into the soil, and the mulch will also help the retention of moisture back into the soil, so that at least we conserve as much moisture as possible. Most importantly, soil pH. Where our pH is correct, you find that the roots will grow deeper and wider in search of nutrients and moisture. So as a result, when it comes to dry spells, you find that your plants won't suffer much because their roots will be in the moisture zone, so they'll keep going, while others are suffering the dry spells. So yes, let's not fear that if it comes, but remember, the one who makes the rains fall is God, and he will never make you suffer. You make sure you have prepared land, and you must harvest from the land which you have.